Now we're going to talk about error handling and debugging in JavaScript. Errors are an inevitable part of programming, but knowing how to handle and debug them effectively is crucial for creating robust and reliable applications. Now before we dive into coding, let's understand the importance of error handling and debugging in web development. Errors can occur for various reasons, such as incorrect input, network issues, or programming mistakes. Proper error handling allows us to gracefully handle these errors and prevent them from crashing our applications. Debugging techniques help us identify and fix errors during development. Let's start by exploring try-catch blocks, a fundamental mechanism for handling errors in JavaScript. In this code snippet, we enclose the code that may throw an error within a try block. If an error occurs within the try block, it's caught by the catch block, and we can specify the code to handle the error. The error object contains information about the error, such as the error message. JavaScript allows us to throw custom errors to indicate specific issues in our code. In this code snippet, we define a divide function that throws a custom error if the second argument is 0. We use the throw keyword followed by the error constructor to create a new error object within a specific error message. Inside the try block, we call the divide function and catch the error in the catch block. We can access these error messages using the error.message property. Logging errors is an essential part of debugging. It helps us track and analyze errors during development or when our code is in production. In this code snippet, we have a fetch data function that makes an AJAX request to an API. If the response status is not OK or 200, we throw a custom error with the response status. We use the console.log method to log the error in the catchbook. This allows us to track and investigate errors that occur during the execution of our code. Let's explore some common debugging techniques that help us identify and fix errors in our JavaScript code. In this code snippet, we use the debugger statement to set a breakpoint in our code. When the code is executed, it pauses at the breakpoint, allowing us to inspect variables, step through the code, and identify issues. We can use the borrower's developer tools to explore the call, stack, variables, and execute code line by line. And that concludes our tutorial on error handling and debugging in JavaScript. We covered try-catch blocks, throwing custom errors, logging errors, and common debugging techniques. With these skills, you'll be able to handle errors gracefully and efficiently debug your JavaScript code.